Hello! This video is for HLA 311 for the summer of 2022, and this video is just update number 1. I hope you're all doing well. We got a good start to the course, and I just want to touch base with you on 3 different things here in this video. So let's go ahead and get started then. The first is regarding the submission of your homework assignments. I do have a video for you regarding the submission, and what I'm going to talk about here is also included in that video. So I did have some of you that did not have the permissions set correctly, and what that meant was that I could not actually see your homework assignment. So when we're submitting our homework assignment and getting the link in Google Drive here, we're going to say get link. When I'm getting that link, make sure that this says anyone with the link. If it is set to restricted, even if you copy this link, I'm not going to be able to see your work. So this has to be turned to anyone with the link. The other thing, and this is optional, if you change this to editor, okay, then I'm actually can add comments to your assignment. Okay, so I will do that if I have permission to edit your document. The default is just for me to view it, which is fine. Okay, I don't need to add comments, but the viewer here is the default setting. So if you go back and look at your assignment and I don't have anything written in there, that is because I did not have permission to edit that document. Again, if you switch that to editor, then I can comment within the different problems on what you did wrong, or if you did something really good, I'll highlight that, etc. Okay, so make sure this is set to anyone with the link when you're copying that link. And if you do that, I'll be able to see your assignment. The next thing then is regarding the different levels within the notes for Module 2 in particular. So if we look at the notes, an example set of notes for Module 2, these are broken out into a novice level, which is usually a spreadsheet, kind of the simple way to do things in a spreadsheet. We have an intermediate level, that is more sophisticated things within a spreadsheet, or sometimes other software packages will be used for the intermediate level. And then there's an advanced level as well, and that is usually doing stuff with Python or possibly R. Regarding these different levels, I do not expect you to be comfortable with all 3 levels. Okay, so if you really do not feel comfortable working with data, you're kind of a novice level in spreadsheets, then I would like you to work at the novice level, at least in the beginning. As you get more comfortable with working in spreadsheets, I would expect you to move from the novice level into the intermediate level. Certainly the intermediate level is going to allow us to do things more efficiently, and most of the time more quickly. If you are a person that feels pretty comfortable with spreadsheets, then I would encourage you to jump in at the intermediate level near the beginning of Module 2. But then maybe by the mid to later part of Module 2, you start working in the advanced level. Again, the advanced level is going to be in Python or R. I do not expect you to write the code for Python or R. In most situations, I have written the code, but at least you can see how that code is written and you can execute that code, play around with that, etc. So just to recap here, I would expect that if you are just kind of at a novice level, that you work at the novice level, but try to work towards doing things at the intermediate level. And if you kind of feel comfortable with you see the novice level is too easy, or you know a lot of the information that is provided in the novice level, then I would encourage you to work at the intermediate level using some of the more sophisticated options within a spreadsheet, or just some of the other software packages that are available, and then work towards the advanced level as you progress through Module 2. Okay, so that setup is in a lot of the different parts within Module 2, you'll see that. Later, when we get into Module 3, I don't necessarily have those 3 different levels for you. Okay, the last thing then is the gradebook. If you are logged in to your account, so let's log in here quickly for me, you will now see a gradebook link, and you can just check how things are going. You do need to enter your password here in order to see your grades. So here's my real simple gradebook. On the left is just the course notes, and then on the right is the homework assignments, either the guided homework assignment or the regular homework assignment. The score on the homework assignments will not show up until I grade that assignment. So you can see that guided homework 1.1 has been graded. So now that shows up in our gradebook. So even though you have submitted maybe an additional homework assignments, if I have not graded them yet, they're not going to show up here. Regarding your course notes, those should show up as you progress through and do those course notes. If you complete them, then you get full credit, and those will show up in your gradebook. Okay, that's all I have for update number 1. I guess one additional thing real quickly. Coming up on our horizon, we have 2 homework assignments due next week. Usually I don't have 2 due in 1 week, but the week before Memorial Weekend, I did put 2 homework assignments. They're both guided homework assignments. Guided homework 1.1 is due on Monday, May 23rd, and then guided homework 1.3 is due on Thursday, May 26th. But what that means is we will not have any homework assignments over Memorial Weekend. So I'd like you to enjoy your Memorial Weekend and not have to worry about doing stuff for me anyway. Okay, have a good day and take care. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Bye-bye.